Hi everybody, Susan here. Welcome back to our cooking channel. Today we'll be making some delicious soy sauce whole chicken. Just look at that delicious salty goodness right there. Can't wait to eat this for dinner for tonight. Let's get cooking. We're gonna start off with a whole chicken. It's already been cleaned inside and out. We're gonna first add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The wok should be very hot. Now let's just coat the bottom of the wok here, and then we add in our whole chicken. Then we are going to fry it on low heat. There we go. We're just adding in our sliced ginger and garlic, and we're just going to lightly fry the outside of the chicken here until it just changes color for a bit. As you can see, it's already browning over here. Just keep on moving it around. To be frying this for about 5 minutes, doing this. Okay, and it's about time we add 1 bowl of soy sauce, about 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, and this is Chinese brown cane sugar, 1 block, some Chinese rice wine, and some white pepper. And to top it off with some sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. And we're going to add 1 bowl of water. And this is Chinese mandarin peel, or what we call guopei. It has a nice earthy citrusy flavor. While it's cooking, you're going to be bathing it with the sauce so that the skin absorbs all the flavor from the soy sauce and this sugary mixture there. We're going to be cooking this chicken for about 20 minutes on low heat, and every 2 or 3 minutes or so you will toss the chicken so the top and the bottom is cooked. And we're just poking through the thigh there just to see if any blood's coming out. If there is, then that means it's still raw on the inside. And there you have it. We have finished cooking after 20 minutes, and just look at how golden this chicken looks. And it smells so good also from that sweet soy sauce there. And we are just busy chopping this restaurant style. You can see here that the meat is steaming hot, and it's moist and tender, and the skin is nice and slippery and smooth, and it's absorbed all that delicious soy sauce goodness. This soy sauce chicken is not salty at all because the brick of Chinese brown cane sugar we added earlier on nearly counters about 30 to 40% of the saltiness of the soy sauce. This is one of our most favorite recipes that we eat occasionally, and it will really improve your appetite. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a good like. If you have not subscribed yet, remember to gong that bell icon as well for notifications on our forthcoming videos. Don't miss out. Hope to see you guys again in the next video. We really do appreciate your support. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, and give us any suggestions. We'd love to hear from you guys. Till next time, gotcha.